You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk. 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 You're a jerk.
No boy.
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 You're a jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
I'm so cocky with it. Got my eyes shut, closed like Rocky Head. Got your girl on my swag, she loving them jerking songs like a new iPod. Just touch it to turn her on, and when the bass start beating and the waist I'm beating, done I got on my way, I'm leaving. She like, where you going? I ain't got my shoes in purse. I said it's none of your concern, and she yelled.
You're a jerk.
So I walked out the door, called Ben J. Told him it's a function, he said I'm on my way. We put up to the party, I took off my shirt and got geeked up, everybody jerking. We was jerking to the right, jerking to the left, and she popped it out of nowhere, she was still half dressed. She like, for real jerk, you love it for this stuff. That the whole party heard her, but all I could hear was wah, 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 wah.
You're a jerk.
Why you tripping? I ain't even do nothing.
You're a jerk.
I'm a jerk, you ain't never lie, but hey, do me a favor, call me jerk one more time.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Hey.
You're a
Hey.
jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Hey.
You're
Hey.
a jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk.
Everything quiet in the bass real hard, and I stay geeked up, never been a retard. Got a new boy swag in this hit for y'all, so they gotta keep it separate like the Jim Crow laws. I'm a beast, I'm a king.
Back it up and dump it back it up and dump it back it up and 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 dump it 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 back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and
Yeah, she wanna fuck with the pastry. Call her Britney Spears cause her head game crazy. Back it up and dump it like a trash man, easy. Make a nigga rub it up and down like a genie. I'm that nigga that you talking about. She wanna get wet cause her nigga leave her dry like cotton mouth. Gave her a present, her pussy start acting up. This ain't Christmas, but you know I had to wrap it up, move it. Eminem lose it, touch it. Plus we get it hotter than an easy bake oven. It's nothing. I told her she was fucking with a goon, so she made her ass pop like a fork in a balloon. I'm rude. Hey, I'm sorry, but I've been the shit. And if you think I'm not, you gotta twist it like licorice. Her friend wasn't bad enough, but I couldn't pass her up, so I made her
back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and dump it 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 back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and
Hold on, let's pause for a sec. I was jerking too much. A nigga lost his breath like. Fuck it, bring it back. I'm pulling on your bra strap. You getting hot, I'm getting hot. I'm taking off my bar cap. Dump it on me, girl. Wait up, just keep it steady. Back it up and I'ma ram it in like a Chevy. Ready, go. Hey, let me see you drop it. I ain't the dream, but I wanna see you rock it. Stop it, press play, then do it in slow mo. Make it go up, down, around like a yo-yo. I pop 2 pills now, I'm moving like a robo. I'm on codeine now, I'm leaning like a cholo. Oh, she grabbing on my dick, that's a no-no. Cause I'ma hit it hard and leave her down like so-so. She working it, boy, she really acting up. So I told her
back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and dump it 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 back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and
yeah, she said she wanna do nasty. It's just me and you, but my name's not Cass. Drop it on me, but you gotta work it like Missy. You hot, believe it or not, like Ripley's. We back at the house. YG, she a bad bitch. Her friend coming, time to get it cracking like chaplets. I had them both face down with their asses up, so I told her
back it up and back it up and back it up and
hey, the root team stay next to me. Skinny jeans on so the hoes think I'm sexy. Come on, baby, let's get it on like Marvin. Ain't no stopping, get it up, we just getting started. I'ma lick it, stick it, then go ahead and smack it up. Got your crack out, so I'ma go ahead and patch it up. I'ma watch you shake it, then go ahead and clap it up, then go ahead and
back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and dump it 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 back it up and dump it.
Want this? Want this?
She ain't never felt a power like this. Ayy, she ain't
never felt a feeling like this. She ain't never felt a feeling like this. It's a new type of murder that make it like this. I make things that's impossible easy. Chick rapping, you're a jerk, then she possibly cheating. You're a groupie, it's required that you gotta be freaky. Think rappers got swiped, then you probably seen me. Hey, spice girl, don't laugh like that's funny. Make you come so many times you ask for gas money. Like, I ain't never felt a feeling like this. It's a new type of murder, never killed it like this. I be like, right there, she be like, that's right. There's so many flips and tricks, we need a half fight. If that black cat cross my path, I'ma eat the kitty up till the dogs get mad like boom. Heart the banging so loud with the earplug, you can even hear it underground. I be like, want this? She be like, can I have that? I just tease her ass like nah 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 nah.
Want this? Want this? Want this?
Hey, yeah, I'm nasty and cocky, I thought you knew. We can have a freak fest, yeah, you know what I do. Got tight shorts on, you should take that off. Get to running when I'm going like Randy Moss. I'ma eat you up, girl, I'm your man. We can get real wild like I'm Tarzan. I don't know your name, she was like, you know it's Maryland. Yeah, you know the place you wanna go, isn't that East? Cause your boy wanna go south. She was like, okay, so up with my mouth, beat it up like we had beef. And she climaxed 7 times between my teeth. Cause I'm nasty. Girl, you like that. She tried to make a line, say she wasn't even like that. I said, prove me wrong. She was like, for sure. I pulled down her pants and made her beg a little more like.
Want this? Want this? Want this?
They call me KF third. How does the perm? Bet I get you wet like some water or shirt now. Drop that ass like a plate when it burns. ND, I'll teach if you willing to learn. Smack a coat like bird, a dog, but I'll make that cat purr like. Girl, I need that. Girl, I'll beat that. Girl, I feast that. Missionary kiss your neck, press your knees back. Chill for a minute, then look like I need that. Open up your book, let this young dude read that. And when it's said and done, give me feedback like, you the best, you the best. I love when you lick on my chest and my breast. Filthy, but you know you love this dirt. You can quit your day job, I'ma put you to work.
Jayhawk Productions.
Hey, hey, no boy. Legacy. I remember when Pharrell used to rock the tight jeans with ice creams, or riding a skateboard, it was like sightseeing. To lames who was afraid to change. If my middle finger could speak, then I say the same, man. I stay my name, call me Legacy, bitch. Mrs. Sweetheart, aka let me see tits. Doing too much like a marble backflip. Jeans stay skinny like I starved my fabric. Where the haters at, Heller, I found you. No, I don't give a F word about you. I do me, leave